long lesson today. Stick with me. Last problem for the whole lesson. We'll do one word problem and then we'll be done. So again, we want to look for our keywords so we can set up our equations. Ava bought 2 scarves and 3 bracelets for a total of $25. Kendra bought 5 scarves, returned 4 bracelets. So this one's a little bit different. I'll show you how to work with the return. And her bill was $28. So we need to know what was the cost for each scarf and each bracelet. So setting up my equations, 2 scarves, I'll use C for scarves again, plus 3 bracelets, we'll use R for bracelets, B can kind of look like a 6 sometimes, for $25. So now Kendra's is a little bit trickier because she's returning something. She bought 5 scarves, so that's 5 times C. But when she returned the 4 bracelets, she got a credit, or it was subtracted from her total, 4 times R. So that dropped her total bill to $28. So now we're going to solve and check. All right, looking for a variable to eliminate. Couple of different options, 2 and 5. Maybe the numbers are smaller. They both multiply to 10, so that's kind of a nice number to work with. A reason to choose R is that they're already opposite signs, so we don't have to multiply by a negative. So either variable would be a good choice in this case. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with the R because they've already got opposite signs. So 3 and 4 both go into 12. So I'm going to multiply my first equation by 4 and my second equation by 3. Distributing in my first equation, I have 8C plus 12R equals 100. My second equation, 3 times 5 is 15, minus 12R, and 3 times 28 gives us 60 plus 24 is 84. Adding our equations together, our R's eliminate. 8 plus 15 is 23. Dividing both sides by 23. Let's see, we have the cost per scarf as, I'm thinking 7, but let me double check that one real quick. It's 8. Because the 20 times 8 is 160, and 3 times 8 is 24 for a total of the 184. So the cost for each scarf was $8, and now we need to find the cost for each bracelet. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my first equation to substitute 8 for C, to solve for R. 2 times 8 gives me 16. Subtracting 16 from both sides, we get 9. Dividing both sides by 3, we get the cost per bracelet was $3. So writing my solution as an ordered pair, the same order that I set up my equation in, I did the scarves first, those were $8, and the bracelets were $3. So final step of the final video on this one, we're going to go ahead and check our work in the second equation. Substituting 8 for C and 3 for R, does that give us a total of 28? 5 times 8 is 40, 4 times 3 is 12, and 40 minus 12, if you think 40 minus 10, you get 30. 30 minus that extra 2 is 28, so both of our equations check out. And here are your U-Try problems. Again, please attempt them before you come to class.